Hello guys, چطورین؟ Welcome to Rayhon Paz. I'm here with another torment session by my older sister. Although that's too common and not a surprise, it is still tormenting. The pasta salad was always my favorite. She had this bad habit of sending me these pictures when I had to eat tasteless food of uni at the dorm. Yeah, I know, she's a heartless torturer. Pasta, cooked peas, mayonnaise and French sauce mixture, lemon juice, salt and black pepper, chicken ham, carrot, pickle, welcome to the championship of Chop Chop. At this corner of the ring, we have Rayhon. On the other side, the champion of champions, the greatest Rayhon.
Yes, we believe you should only get better than your older self.
Add the carrots into the boiling water and let them cook for a while. After about 5 minutes, add the pasta to the boiling water. Stir and add some salt to the boiling water because curds are sweet. We should moderate the taste. It takes about 10 minutes for the pasta and carrots to soften. I think it's about time. Yeah, it's time to drain it. After draining it, you can pour some cold water over it to help it cool down and let the water drain well. Now, pick up a large bowl and mix everything, except for the dressing. Save it for the last. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Check out the description for the detailed recipe. Enjoy your meal.